In a world that power and freedom to move is everything.
Was founded in 1901. It was, or it became critical for the Filipinos to use motorcycle in their day-to-day mobility. Tama ba yun? Di ba? Yung mga riders? The Gulf Power Track Scooter 5W40 fully synthetic scooter oil. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Yo! So what's up sa inyo mga chong? For today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa West Service Road, no? May bagong launching ngayon ang Gulf Oil, no? Fully synthetic, no? Ngayon ilalabas ngayong araw na to, guys. Magkakaroon kami ng rides. So abangan yan, guys. Napakatindi yan. Bagong bago yan. At anong oras na? Late na naman ako, buwiset. Let's go, let's go. Peace. Sheesh. Yun, so what's up sa inyo guys? Dito kami ngayon sa Alabang Carrera Showroom. Yan, dito yan sa Philinvest. Yan yung mga tropa natin. Ngayon, ilalunch yung bagong fully synthetic Gulf Power Track Scooter 5W40.
Good morning, everyone! We hope everybody is safe and dry during these past days of continuous training and of course, safe as well travel here for the very important event with Gulf Oil.
Engines roar. Hearts race. In a world that power and freedom to move is everything. The desire to go fast for long distances is the reason why we all ride. Without the right kind of protection, even the strongest engine can break. Introducing Gulf Power Track Scooter 5W40 fully synthetic oil, engineered with PowerROX technology. It is Gulf's commitment to maximum engine performance. Cleans, protects, and empowers. Unleash your engine's full potential. Maximum power. Every ride. Gulf Power Track Scooter. Together, we are unstoppable.
Before that, we need to count from 5. Here we go. Everybody count now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good morning again, everyone. I'm very honored to stand here in front of you guys. So I'm excited to tell you more about our newest product for the motorcycle segment, which is the Gulf Power Track Scooter 5W40 fully synthetic scooter oil. Our company was founded in 1901. So we were existing already for more than 120 years. So in the Philippines, we have been operating nationwide for the last 26 years. So Power Track Scooter 5W40. Why did we develop the Gulf Power Track Scooter 5W40 fully synthetic scooter oil? In high performance scooters right now, because due to inherent design, the scooters now have higher power to weight ratio. The engine oils encounter temperatures as high as 150 degrees Celsius. Mas mainit na. So, the PowerROX technology in our Power Track Scooter 5W40 have powerful detergents which have excellent cleaning properties. So what PowerROX does is it prevents yung mga deposits na to combine and build up in the engine parts and keeps the surfaces clean. That's what's unique about this product. And of course, guys, our riders, cleaner engine, ensure your scooter delivers peak performance with maximum power, improving engine life, thus giving maximum power every ride. Whether you are a weekend adventurer, you're a daily commuter, or you're a ride service provider, diba, that use your scooter to hail passengers, to deliver goods, you will benefit from PowerTrack Scooter 5W40 by keeping your engine like new and top condition. PowerTrack Scooter is a premium engine oil that will not break the bank. Kasi in Gulf Oil, we believe that premium engine oils doesn't mean premium price.
Para sa ating riding community. So, we will be having this special offer as the promo launch. So, ano pa yung meron sa promo nito? Hindi lang competitive at price, attainable and affordable, but you will get a free Gulf Glide Gear oil for every purchase of any liter ng ating Gulf PowerTrack Scooter 5W40. And it's available from September 1 to November 30, 2024.
So guys, good day sa ating lahat. Sana ay nasa maganda tayong kalagayan dahil sunod-sunod na naman po yung pagpasok ng malalakas na bagyo dito sa ating lugar. At syempre, hindi maiwasan na mabaha. Syempre, nakikita natin sa ilan ng mga motorista na talaga namang naghahanap buhay ngayon sa kalsada kahit malakas ang ulan ay nalulubog yung kanilang mga motorsiklo. And speaking of motorsiklo, meron ako dito na langis na ginagamit para sa aking motor. Ang motor ko nga pala ay Honda Click 125. Ito yung ginagamit ko na langis sa aking motorsiklo. Pride Scooter Plus na 10W40. Ito po ay synthetic technology para sa engine performance ng ating mga motor. Meron akong ipapakilala sa inyo na tamang-tama sa panahon ngayon dahil laganap na naman yung pagbaha. Siyempre nalulubog yung mga motorsiklo natin. Ipapakilala ko sa inyo ang bagong produkto ng Gulf Oil na PowerTrack Scooter na 5W40.